Hi guys, it's Matt Feast. Hope you're well today. I'm going to quickly do a video on a company I've been involved in the last 2 months now. A company called Hodl, and what the company does, it's actually paying us some fees. It's very similar to, for example, it's very similar to Uniswap. If you're in the crypto space, you understand what I'm saying, and it's very similar to another called PancakeSwap. Very good companies. It's the same thing, okay. But with these two platforms, okay, you have loads of coins. You can actually you can get fees by staking them. And what happens is, or for example, on a yield farm. So basically, you're paying you in fees. It's like when you swap your coins for another pair, okay. And obviously the exchange charges you fees, okay, and you get a part of those fees, okay. That's the difference. And also with the Hodl company I'm promoting, is that it's a neutral coin. You're actually you're not staking. You're actually yield farming a passive way coin, like USDT, which is very it's a neutral coin basically. It's a neutral coin. Doesn't go up, doesn't go down. But you're getting fees for lending your funds out. Say, for example, you lend us say $1,000 out over a period of say a month or 2 months or 3 months. You'll get fees every day, and you can withdraw every week, every Mondays. And what happens is, after these contracts expires, you get your funds back into your wallets. You can either yield them, refarm them, or you can just send to your exterior wallets and it's up to you. Or you can just get passive income and compound every day or every week. You can just withdraw. It's entirely up to you guys. But meanwhile, let me just quickly show you the back office. Okay, the first thing you need to do is you need to log into your Hodl account, or you can actually sign up under my link below. All the information will be below the video in the description box with all my links. And the first thing you need to do really is either have a MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet, or whatever was recommended really within the platform. As soon as you click on my link, you'll be brought to this page here, and you can actually nominate your wallet of choice. But I have done a video on this when you actually sign up. If you haven't got a wallet, a MetaMask wallet, once you click into my link, you have a description what to do. Okay, it tells you how to set up the wallet up. Okay, so first thing you need to do really, you need to just get your head around this and read the information. Okay, all the information will be below the video. Please watch this. It does explain the concept of the business, and once you sign in, it will bring to this page here. It tells you how to set up a MetaMask wallet, okay, or you might have a Trust wallet. It works all the same really, to be honest with you, But anyway, here's my back office. I'm just about to sign in. Okay, let me sign in now. Okay, there we go. Connect. See what I mean? So it gives you plenty of options really. But for this video's sake, let's go to MetaMask. That's my favourite wallet anyway. I've been using them for quite a few years now. Quickly sign in. Okay, put my password in there. Just like so. Click in. Just takes a bit of time. Here we go. I'm logging in now. I can almost see if I'm logged in properly by my wallet address there appears. So it gives you an idea. Anyway, let's go to my liquidity. Okay. So scroll down here. I'll quickly show you what I've done in the last few weeks. I've been into this business, building it slowly. I've been a member for roughly about 2 months approximately. I've chose the 90-day plan. Okay, you get more return on investment that way. You can go for 30 days, paying your 0.25% daily, which is 7.5% monthly. Okay, and 60 days is 0.34% per day. Paying you 24.4% for 2 months. Okay, all right, gives you an idea. So basically, it pays you per month, basically. But you can actually you get paid per day, but this is the top of the percentage. Yeah, gives you an idea. I've gone for 90 days myself. 90 days pays me a bit more return on investment. That's 0.42% daily, 37.8% 3 months. All right, so basically it's 37.8% per month. Okay. So if I scroll down, these are the my payments I've paid in. Gives you an idea. I've done 90%. Sorry, not 90%. 90 days, which is 3 months. Sorry, and just gives you an idea. All right. And these are the withdrawals I've made. So I've made withdrawal every Mondays, which is Dubai time. Okay. So this is $233.37 per week. So it's not a bad return investment really. And the beauty about it is that my original deposit I paid, which I'll get back within the contract time. Okay, that's contract time, 30 days, 60 days, or 90 days. Okay, depending on what sort of package you're taking. Okay, you can every week you get paid. You can either re-enroll, say let's say compounds, or you can withdraw. Entirely up to you. The choice is there. Okay, if you want it. I find it's very, very good. I like the business, and I do. I think it's got a lot of long legs here. I do like the concept, and the beauty about this, guys, is I like the webinars every day. You do have webinars every day, which is pretty cool. Tells you what's going on, what's happening, and there's training as well, which is very, very good. I like that. But we do have a what do you call it now? A WhatsApp group, okay, and we do have a Telegram group, okay. But once you sign up, you'll be invited to the group, or reach out to your sponsor, or reach out to myself, okay, and I'll add you to the group. All right. But the minimum amount to participate in this company, just to test the water out, is $10. So $10 of USDT. But when you do send the USDT, make sure it's on the correct blockchain. Okay. So when you sign up, I've built a landing page explaining this, how to do this. Okay. So basically, these are the 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. Okay, tells you how much you're going to get. Okay, please watch this video. Don't skip it. Because at the end of the day, you want to know the concept of the business. Okay, you can promote this business. It's entirely up to you. You don't have to. I do this because it's my full-time job. But you can promote this company if you want. It's up to you. All the information's here. So please go through it. And if you're a newbie by setting a wallet up or whatever. Just please, watch this video here, MetaMask, how to set it up properly, okay, and link it to your HODL account, all right. The information's here, let's just go through it, Any problems and issues, please reach out to myself, or just reach out to me on Facebook, or, any social media. All my links will be below the video anyway. You can get hold of me. This is the button you need take action button. That's adding you onto the actual HODL platform. Okay, that's all explained in the videos. Here's my contact details. Matt Feast. I'll be your sponsor. That's my email address. Friend me on Facebook if you want. It's up to you. And my Telegram information here. You can reach out to me in Telegram. Okay. And there's a link here you can add yourself to the group. But I need to vet you first. You need to send me a message, and then I'll add you to the group. But we do have, I would like to see people really be an active member, paid active member. If you're a free member, at the end of the day, you only have about, say, 7 days, and then you need to really, really upgrade or do whatever you want to do. But the minimum is $10 to get started, which is pretty darn good, really, just to test the water out, you know. And you will get your deposit back eventually within the contracts, as I said previously. So, you know, what's happening is the company is paying you fees of lending your funds to these exchanges, okay? All right. If you got any value out of this video, please give me a thumbs up and like my videos. That'd be great. And any information you would need, just please contact me on the links below. And yeah, happy days. Meanwhile, thanks so much for watching the video. I really appreciate it. My name's Matt Feast, and have a great day. Speak to you soon. Catch you later.